But as I'm standing here now, it's not tithe and offering that's sustaining me. YouTube pays me. YouTube pays me. I won't tell you the figure. Give yourself 3 months. You are doing video every day. The word for today is this. And you can be consistently uploading 3 to 4 video daily. YouTube pays me. If you have children here, don't train them the way Africans train their children. Give them discipline, but teach them an independent life early. You are 25, 28 years old, you are still with your parents. They will tell you, you are just still growing now. Hey, no, be just now you start grow. They don't train you to be independent and creative. So at 30 years old, you are now stepping out of your parents' house confused. Is this young man I watch? He said, I show speed or something, that's his name. How many of you know him? Do you know when that guy started YouTube? 2021. Do you know recently I read that they just, because of how big his streaming is, they paid him $600 million. You've been watching YouTube since 2018. Do you know 2020 and 2021 was a kairos moment? That was when my ministry started to rise. The Lord told me, he said, now I'm beginning to give portions to the prophets I will use for the next generation. I prophesied at that time. That was when we started streaming and preaching every day straight for close to 1 year. This young man in 2021, he was saying he will stream 6 hours every day. When we talk about the wealth of the Gentiles, you need to look for their discipline. While there's a Nigerian brother who prays a lot, who is using his phone to watch comedy, Sabinus. 2021, 4 years later, the guy is flying private jets all over the world. In fact, he has taken his stream from his parlor, is now touring nations. Even with our pastors, don't have that kind of command of crowd. If he comes to a street now and says, okay, now we are in Bologna, before you know, people, I say, what kind of influence is this? Just from sitting at home with a phone. I know someone thinks I'm carnal now. Sir, prayer cannot deliver a man whose mind has not first been delivered. I won't tell you the figure. I tell you the truth, I lie not. The Lord told me one day, he said, there's no future for anybody. There's only now and my word. If you don't use the now well, there's no future for you. It's only now. So I told my people in the house, I said, now that AI is becoming a big thing, go and start learning it. AI video, go and start learning it, and then look for how to incorporate it to everyday life. Go and start mastering it. But guess what? Our brothers will be taught prayer powers 12 hours every day for 3 months. Here, they can't create one thing. Is prayer bad? No. Now, the problem we have in Africa is that the moment you begin to say these things, they will say you are against prayer. If I'm against prayer, I won't be standing here. You who is praying, come, let's match spiritual energy. They will say you are against prayer. I know prayer. And one thing I can tell you about prayer is that if you pray rightly, you will download wisdom. How many of you know what I'm talking about? You will download wisdom. There's something about prayer and direction. But in Africa, we pray as an exercise. We pray for the fun of praying. So our reward is that we are prayer men. Prayer men that cannot shift anything in their time. I always tell my boys, I say, if we keep your spiritual life aside, which is our constant, we share that one as a constant. What can you create? What value do you have? Even the spirituality that you say is your value, you are not a master in it. Why a lot of people do not grow is because they do not have a value to consistently put out. Whether if it's word of wisdom, you are doing video every day. The word for today is this. And you can be consistently uploading 3 to 4 video daily. Give yourself 3 months, you will start building an audience. Now that's the discipline that the Gentile have, that the average Christian don't have, because they've trained the average Christian for quick result. Ozubo God. That's one of the things they use to deceive Africans. If I prophesy within 30 minutes it will happen. No sir. No sir. Prophecy follow process. Sometime a prophetic word will stay until you are mature. Now some people are angry, a pastor is taking time. That's the foundational power that stopped your father. Because you want to hear spiritual things, but you don't want to hear useful things. As deep as spiritual things are, if you are not spiritual, you don't know how to use it. So let's tell you the one we know you can use now if you are disciplined. Consistency. I won't tell you the figure, but as I'm standing here now, it's not tithe and offering that's sustaining me. YouTube pays me. YouTube pays me. The brethren I take care of, their part of their devotion is that they are going to take care of the value I put out in form of media. Recently, I saw my name trending. I said, well, I thank God I'm not trending for killing somebody, for stealing from someone, or for sleeping with somebody. That even negative press can even develop your platform. The moment they begin to speak against you, I told my media, well, let's begin to upload more videos now. We have more people to watch our teaching. Hey! You don't know the art of ignoring noise. But why would they talk about you? Because you have value. When I found out how old these boys were, I showed speed. He's 20 years, I'll be 21 years old. 20 years. I looked at myself, I said, I'm an old man. I'm unk. 20, what was I doing 20 years old? I was eating honor in my parents' house. At least I escaped house at age 21 that no, I must take my life in my hands. I went to start staying in the cave. Adura Elijah Jogbo. See, may the Lord bless you so much so that your children will not experience your suffering. See, it has to be a personal decision. Life changes from here. Because anything not walked into this place, you can't experience around you. You sit down, make up your mind and say, no. The people that prosper don't have two heads. And do you know what happens to you? The first thing that will change after your thinking change is your environment. I can tell you progressively how God broke me into a royal dimension. Do you know how I started? Because I grew up in abject poverty. When I saved money, me and my prayer friend, we'll go and look for the hotel our money can afford. We'll go and lodge there. Then we'll pray. We'll see AC. If you saw, maybe one of these days we will show the picture of the house I grew up in. You know sack? That was our ceiling. Sack. You know the kind of house that they put sack as ceiling. And then guess what? I was teaching one of my pastors. Now let's enter Exousia. When they say consistency is the power, let me teach you something they won't tell you. You can be consistently doing the wrong thing. Consistency is not the power. The power is consistency in putting out value.